Hey guys, it's Cardboard Creations once again, and in today's video I'm going to be making a sledgehammer. You guys ready? Okay. For this, you'll need these items. Some big scissors. I'm using 3 because I'm too lazy to use just one. 4 paper towel rolls. And a box. Okay, to start, you are gonna grab your 4 paper towel rolls. You're gonna take the dirtiest one and you're gonna put it at the bottom. And then these 2, and the cleanest one at the top. Why you want the cleanest one at the top and the dirtiest one at the bottom is for handle design. It's gonna look a lot neater, more weared down for this end. What you'll want to do is you want to take each paper towel roll and give it a teensy little fold at the end so it can fit within each one. As you can see, it is now assembled. And we are going to take our tape. Oh yeah, you also need tape. To make sure this is more secure and doesn't break. So with the tape I'm using, and the best technique to use the tape, is you're going to take where the 2 paper towel rolls meet, you're going to wrap around it twice, making sure half the tape is on one and half the tape is on the other, to give it that secure handle to it. Okay, once you have it wrapped around, you're going to grab any pair of scissors that you have, and you're going to give it a snip. Warning: adult supervision is needed. If you are using these scissors, make sure you have an adult with you, so that way you do not cut yourself. Have fun! And there you go. Now you have each piece connected, all 4 together. Good, you're done with the handle. Now we're going to move on to the sledgy part itself. Take a cardboard box, preferably a big one. And what you want to do is you want to cut off these big flaps. They are around the right size for the head of a sledgehammer. I'm going to cut these off camera. Okay, once you're done with that, you should have at least 4 flaps. And it doesn't matter if 2 of them are bigger than the other ones. We're going to line the smaller ones up with the bigger ones, and we're going to cut them down to size, okay? After cutting them down to size, you're going to take each piece of cardboard, and you're going to fold it in half lengthwise. So this way. After folding them all in half, we also need 1 giant long piece of cardboard. After folding pieces in half and cutting out even more, you're going to want to take 2 of the shortest pieces, and you're going to cut them on this side just a little thinner. And once you have each piece cut down to size, you're going to make them all into little squares with 2 sizes left open, except for the 2 that you recently just cut down. Those are going to be used later. After taking each piece and making it into a square, after making the first one into a square shape, you will tape it around to make it tight. Make sure to wrap it around twice with each piece of tape. And after doing that, take the next piece and wrap the first one in it, and then do the same tape thing. Before taping the last piece of cardboard around, you want to take those 2 pieces that you shortened slightly and slide them in, so that way we can cover up each side and keep it completely closed. When doing this tape around for one end, make sure to do it 2 times, 2 loops, to make it extra secure, because how strong the cardboard is and how much it's resisting right now. Okay, once you're done with that, you're going to take both flaps on either end and you're going to hold them down, tape them down, and then you're going to cut off the access here. There is another step after that, but just wait for it. After doing that, you might notice that there are some gaps on here. That's why we saved the access pieces. We're going to lay them across, cut them out to the right size, and then tape them down. Actually, if it's the right thinness, you can just slide it into this gap here, fold it in, and then tape it down. Okay, now we can't forget the most important step, attaching the handle. If your tape is the right size and matches the thickness of this, you can trace the inside with the scissors so that way it will be easier to attach the handle. And once you have that taped down, you will be done. And there you go, a cardboard sledgehammer. Have fun out there, guys.